This is the Orders page of the Portalink AnyOrder app. In this page are the tabs for All Orders, Pending Orders, Archived Orders, and Needs Attention. The default tab displayed is the Pending Orders. The user can click on any of the tabs to view them. On the right, there is a list where the user can select the number of rows to be displayed per page. By default, it is displayed as 30 rows per page, and the user may opt to change this anytime. The user can navigate through the pages by clicking the arrow buttons at the bottom. There are the columns for the PO number, received date, order date, customer, total, status, locked by, and channel. The PO number displays the purchase order number extracted from the template attached to the message. The received date shows when the order was received in the portal. The order date indicates when the order was placed, as extracted from the order attachment. The customer tab shows the account or company where the order is linked to. The total tab shows the total amount of the order. The Locked By column shows the user who is currently viewing the order. Under the Status column, the order can show as pending, pending and needs attention, or archived. The pending status means that the order has been extracted, but it's not yet exported to draft. Once an order is exported, it will go to the Orders page in Shopify. Pending orders that have the attention message have variances that need to be reviewed before it can be exported to draft. An order can have the archive status if it has been exported to draft, or if the user has manually set it to archived. An archived order, which has been exported to draft, will have this icon next to the status, which represents Shopify's Orders page. If we click on the Orders button for Shopify, we have the drafts under that. The order will be pushed through this list of drafts once it is exported. Meanwhile, an archived order which has not been exported to draft will have the attention message along with this icon. Now, let's open an order. At the top, we see the order number. Using the Orders button at the top, the user can go back to the main Orders page. There is the Order Locked button and up and down arrow buttons that can be used to navigate through the orders. There are also the Export to Draft, Archive Order, and Revalidate Order buttons. As of this moment, these buttons are grayed out and disabled. The fields cannot be modified as well. This is because the order is locked. This means that another user is viewing this order. If the user clicks on Order Locked, it will show the other user. Click Steal Lock to be able to edit the order. On the other hand, if the user currently owns the lock and would like to allow other users to make changes, just click on the Locked By You button and then Release Lock. Let's now review the page since the order has been unlocked. All the buttons at the top are now enabled. Once the user exports the order to draft, it will go to the Orders page in Shopify. If the user would like to manually archive an order, just click on the Archive button. The Revalidate Order button is used when there are changes made to the business rules and the user would like to apply those changes to the order. The fields can now be edited as the pencil icon is no longer grayed out. On the left is the order attachment and the message content of the order. To view the purchase order attachment, just click on it. Once an order has been sent to the portal and the system has identified that there is an existing mapping for the order template, the order data will be automatically extracted, which is shown on the right-hand side. Let's compare the content from the order template to the extracted information. The extracted order number and order date are the same as the ones from the template. The delivery date was successfully extracted as the due date. The total was automatically computed based on the numbers extracted per line item. There is also the extracted information for the created at, updated at, and the currency columns. Under Company, the user can see the account where the order is linked to. On the right is the Shopify delivery information. All of these will be populated based on the company details. Let's now proceed with the line items of the order. The order template has 5 line items, which is the same number as the extracted line items on the right. If we cross-check, all the data have been extracted correctly. There is also the timeline where the user can find the audit logs. Here, you can see when the order was created and when it was checked and saved. Any modifications made in the order will be reflected here. That's how the user can navigate through the orders page.